In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Claude Code. If you spend long hours coding, switching to a darker interface can reduce eye strain, improve focus, and even help a bit with battery life on some displays. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the settings so you can make the switch in just a few clicks. Start by opening the Claude Code app on your device. Give it a moment to load your projects or recent work. Everything we need is available right inside the app, so you won't have to leave this window. Look to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your profile icon there. It may appear as your avatar, your initials, or a simple silhouette. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. This is the quickest way to access your app preferences without digging through multiple screens. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens a dedicated settings window or panel where Claude Code keeps all of its configuration options organized. If your window is small, the panel might slide over the editor. That's normal. Inside Settings, find and click Appearance. This section controls how the app looks, including theme, fonts, and visual accents. It's the place you go anytime you want to tune the interface to your liking. Within Appearance, look for Color Mode. This control determines whether the app uses a light or dark theme. Depending on your version, Color Mode might appear as a drop-down, a set of buttons, or a toggle. Either way, it's clearly labeled, and it's the setting we need. Now, click Dark Mode. The change should apply immediately, and you'll see the interface smoothly transition. The editor background, side panels, tabs, and menus will adopt a darker palette, while text and syntax highlighting remain crisp and readable. Take a second to scan your workspace and make sure everything feels comfortable. Dark mode should improve contrast without washing out colors, which is especially helpful when reading long files or reviewing diffs. That's all there is to it. If the option doesn't appear right away, try maximizing the app window so the settings labels aren't truncated, or ensure you're on a recent version of the app as layouts can evolve over time. Otherwise, you're set. Your theme preference will stick the next time you open Claude Code, keeping your environment consistent and easy on the eyes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy coding in dark mode with a cleaner, calmer workspace.